This is gonna blow your mind. Unlike the traditional hilsa with mustard paste, this recipe includes raw mango. Cooking Tagore inspired hilsa mango and mustard curry is easier than you think. Let's get started. 1. 4 large pieces of hilsa fish. 2. 50 grams grated raw green mango. 3. 2 tablespoons black mustard seeds. 4. 4 to 6 green chilies. 5. 2 teaspoons turmeric powder. 6. 4 tablespoons mustard oil. 7. Salt to taste. Sprinkle salt and turmeric to the hilsa pieces. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, peel and grate 50 grams of raw mango. Grind 2 tablespoons black mustard seeds and 4 green chilies into a paste in 4 tablespoons of water. Heat 3 tablespoons mustard oil until it smokes. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of nigella seeds and 4 to 6 slit green chilies. Next, add the grated raw mangoes, a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon water. Cover and cook on low for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. Mash the mango into a paste and pour in the mustard paste mix. Add turmeric, salt, remaining chilies and 1 cup water. Bring to a boil, then add the fish pieces. Cook for 10 minutes until the gravy thickens. Turn off heat. Pour 1 tablespoon of mustard oil on top for that extra kick. And there you have it. For vegetarians, you can replace the hilsa with 500 grams paneer. Marinate the paneer with salt, turmeric and mustard oil and repeat the steps as above. A taste of Tagore's kitchen in your home. Enjoy.